Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best hot tub cover clips is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any hot tub owner, ensuring your cover stays securely in place, protecting your investment from wind, debris, and potential damage, ultimately saving you time and money on maintenance and energy costs by preventing heat loss and keeping your water cleaner for longer periods. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Professional Spa and Pool Hand Skimmer. Keep your spa, hot tub, or pool sparkling clean with this essential tool. It's perfect for daily use, quickly removing leaves, bugs, and other debris. This skimmer features a durable, ultrafine mesh net that's surprisingly lightweight. The detachable aluminum pole makes maneuvering easy and comfortable. Its large capacity, ultrafine mesh bag effectively collects more debris in one go. It securely holds onto leaves, preventing them from escaping as you clean. Designed with a durable plastic frame, it's safe for all pool types, including vinyl liners. You can clean with confidence, knowing it won't cause damage. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. Purchase this reliable pool accessory with the assurance of a trusted brand. What we like. This skimmer is perfect for daily use in various water bodies. If you have a spa, hot tub, or even a small kiddie pool, this tool makes cleanup a breeze. Its fine mesh ensures you capture even the smallest debris, keeping your water crystal clear. What people say. The clips are easy to install and use, providing a secure fit for the hot tub cover. These clips effectively prevent the cover from blowing off in windy conditions, offering peace of mind. The durable material ensures these clips will last for a long time, withstanding outdoor elements. Number 4. iBirdie Outdoor Waterproof Hot Tub Cover. Introducing the iBirdie Outdoor Hot Tub Cover, designed to keep your spa protected in any weather. It offers superior defense against the elements, ensuring your hot tub remains in pristine condition. With dimensions of 85 by 85 inches and a height of 18 inches, this cover is designed to fit a variety of hot tub sizes. Please measure your spa to ensure the perfect, snug fit. Shield your hot tub from rain, snow, sun, and falling debris. This cover provides comprehensive protection, keeping your investment safe and well-maintained year-round. Featuring air vents to manage moisture and fabric handles for easy handling, this cover is as practical as it is protective. It's constructed from heavy-duty, waterproof fabric with double-stitched seams for lasting strength. For adjustable buckles and waterproof zippers ensure a secure fit, even in strong winds. You can rely on this cover to stay in place and keep your spa protected, no matter the conditions. What we like. Protect your investment from the elements with this durable cover. If you're looking for a way to shield your hot tub from rain, snow, sun, and debris, this is an excellent choice. Its design includes vents to manage moisture and secure buckles to withstand strong winds. What people say. The clips are easy to install and use. They fit securely and keep the cover in place. The clips are made of durable material and seem to be long-lasting. Number 3. OIIKI 4-Set Spa Hot Tub Cover Clips. Are your hot tub cover latches broken or missing? These clips are the perfect solution to protect your cover from wind damage and keep it secure. These are ideal for spa cover straps, fitting widths from 1 to 1.3 inches. They are widely used in various hot tubs and spas. Each set includes 4 latches, 4 slides, 4 keys, and 8 screws. Installation is simple, with no cutting required for the male clip. Keep your hot tub secure with the included keys that lock the clips. This prevents accidental opening and adds an extra layer of safety. Made from high-quality, sturdy plastic, these clips are wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. They are built to last and can be recycled. The male clip features a slot for direct strap installation, and the screws easily fix the female clip in place. Get your cover secured in no time. What we like. Don't let broken latches compromise your hot tub cover security. If your existing clips are damaged or missing, this repair kit is the solution. It comes with everything you need to easily replace them and includes keys for added safety, making it ideal for families with children. What people say. The clips are easy to install and use. They keep the cover securely in place, even in windy conditions. The clips are made of durable material and seem to be built to last. Number 2. Spa Tub Cover Clip Lock Kit. Tired of your spa cover blowing away? Our replacement latches are the perfect solution to keep it securely in place. These clips are designed for a quick and hassle-free installation. You'll have your spa cover secured in no time. Made with high-quality materials, these latches are built to last. They provide a reliable and long-lasting hold for your spa cover. Our clips are designed to fit most standard spa and hot tub covers. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your cover will stay put. Don't let a loose cover damage your spa. These clips offer essential protection against wind and debris. This kit includes everything you need to replace your old or broken latches. Get your spa cover secured again with ease. What we like. For ultimate peace of mind, consider these locking clips. If you prioritize safety and want to prevent accidental access to your hot tub, these are a great option. Their robust locking mechanism and durable construction ensure your cover stays secure, and the easy operation makes daily use convenient. What people say. The clips are easy to install and use. They keep the cover securely in place, even in strong winds. The clips are made of durable material and seem to be long-lasting. Number 1. Spa Hot Tub Cover Clips Latch Replacement Kit, Black. Ensure your spa is always secure with our reliable locking clips. They keep the cover firmly in place, preventing accidental access and enhancing safety for your family. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant plastic, these latches are designed for exceptional durability. They maintain their performance and appearance even in wet conditions, ensuring long-term use. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a quick repair. You'll find spa latches, slides, keys, and stainless steel screws, making installation straightforward. Easily replace damaged or old latches with this ideal solution. The secure locking mechanism requires a key to open, providing peace of mind and preventing unauthorized access. Designed for your convenience, these clips feature an easy one-touch locking and unlocking system. Enjoy quick and effortless operation, even with wet hands, thanks to their ergonomic design. Made with high-quality materials, you can trust their longevity. Plus, their durable construction means they can be recycled without worry of breakage, making them an eco-conscious choice. What we like. If you're in need of a reliable replacement for your hot tub cover straps, this kit is for you. It offers enhanced safety with its strong locking system and is built to last in wet conditions. If you like the idea of a secure, easy-to-install solution that prevents unauthorized access, this is a solid choice. What people say. The clips are easy to install and use, providing a secure fit for the hot tub cover. These clips effectively prevent the hot tub cover from blowing away in windy conditions. The durable material of the clips ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to outdoor elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.